20 and 15 in front of VP. I'll just write it 20 and 15, and that is A dash and A, 20 above HP and 15 in front of VP. Next, endpoint B is 60 above HP, that is B dash is at 60 and 45 in front of VP. The distance between end projectors DEP is 70 So let us start representing the answer as a rough sketch. So based on this condition, I'll just draw a rough sketch XY line and represent VP HP first. And let us represent all known conditions first. So 20 above HP. So 20 above HP, somewhere here I have got A dash. So if this is 20 if this is 20 make sure on the empty book here also, if a line is drawn, that will also be 20 otherwise your answers will go wrong. So 20 I'll just represent this, identify this location, and 15 in front of VP I have got A. This is 20 and 15. Just I have identified this location. Next, 20 and 15 number in the problem is over. AB I have named it as AB. In front of VP is over. Next, endpoint B is 60 above HP. See, somewhere here I'll draw a locus. I don't know where B dash or B1 dash is lying. See, at a distance of 60 I'm going to draw a locus line. Next, 45 in front of VP. In front of VP also, I'll represent 45 and represent a line at a distance of 45. See, all given numbers in the problem is over. 60, 45, 60, 45, 15, 20, everything is over. Next, distance between end projectors is 70 So DEP is given. So distance between end projectors, that is this A dash A and B dash B lies at a distance of 70 I'll just draw directly a line at a distance of 70. I'll just dimension this as 70 from here. Got it? Can anybody unmute and tell me what we have got at these two intersections? So all problem statements are over. Locus of B is here. Locus of B on either side. Now I'm drawing a rough sketch before drawing here. So based on this problem, the line AB has one of its endpoints A, one of its endpoint 20 above HP and 15 in front of VP. Endpoint B is 60 above HP and 45 in front of VP. Distance between end projectors is 70 Now I have to find out the true length is how much, and apparent inclinations, that is alpha is equal to how much and beta is equal to how much. Got it? All given numbers in the problem I have completed here. The projections I have completed. A dash A and 60, 45, 70 I have completed. Can anybody unmute and tell me what we have got here? Any other conditions we have got? Directly?
Front length and top length.
Huh?
Front view and top view.
For example, I am pointing my pencil here. What is this name?
B dash.
B dash.
B dash. Yes, very good. This is directly B dash and this is directly B.
B.
So distance between end projectors means the front view of the line here and the top view of the line that I have got here. It may not be same. I am not writing any parallel line here so that it is represented. What next? What next? See, this is front and
Parallel
top
line.
view that I have got directly. So now I have to find out the true length. So what should I do?
Draw a parallel
Taking
line.
a compass and cutting an arc.
Where I'll take a compass. Now tell me where I have to keep my compass. Shall I keep my
Yes,
compass
sir.
at A dash?
Yes,
A
sir.
dash.
Okay.
Yes,
Next,
sir.
where should I take the radius to?
B
B
dash.
dash.
Yes,
B
very good.
dash.
B dash. I'll take the radius. Okay. Next. What is next?
Keep it on A and draw an arc, sir.
I'll start an arc from here. Where should it end?
On
Sir,
XY
straight
plane.
to A dash, sir. Straight to A dash.
Okay, straight to A dash. That means locus of A, in other terms, it is locus of A. I'm dropping this arc reverse. Okay, I'm drawing this arrow mark. As you are seeing, this same front view distance is here also to the horizontal. To the horizontal, it is here also. This is B2 dash. Are you able to get it? From
Yes,
here,
sir.
what is the next step?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'll draw a
Sir,
straight line
extend that line.
towards B.
The
It is
I'm drawing an
low
arrow
length.
mark. Got it? So directly, if you join this,
That is B2.
that is B2, which is nothing but true length. Are you able to get it?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
If you measure it, you will get some length. This is a rough sketch. I'm not measuring it. If you measure this true length, you will get something. Same true length. Don't directly draw it here and draw an arc. That is wrong method. What you're supposed to do, you have to same thing what you did from the front view. You have to do it again in the top view. That is what I'll take a compass from A, take a measurement till
B.
where? What is the radius? Till
B.
B, and draw an arc till
Draw an arc till A.
A locus. See this A
Till A.
locus where it is there till this is the position I am marking it to. This is I'm marking it as B1, and from here if I extend the line further towards vertical plane where the location of B locus is there, then I'll get B1 dash. Now if I join this A dash to B1 dash, this line should be equal to this line. Then only your problem will be right. Able to get it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
After
Yes,
you
sir.
rotate this top view to this new position, okay, after you rotate this top view to the new position, top view to the new to this A locus, and then project it towards the vertical plane, you will get a particular true length. Got it? And it is associated with true inclination. Got it? So here, if you measure true length, what you got here, the same answers you need to get it here. Then only your problem will be right. So that is very, very important. Now what is asked? Now I can find out the true length, apparent inclinations, alpha and beta. Now I'll measure alpha, and this is beta I am going to measure and mark the answer. Able to get it? Let us not waste time. I'll be making it fast. So if you are doing it, please make it as it is. Represent XY, VPHP, 20 mm and 15 mm. I'm going to mark it here and draw a perpendicular line here and here. And don't represent a dark point, just identify the location, that is enough. And 20 and 15 I have marked here. 20 and 15 I have marked here as per the requirement of the answer. And the distance between end projectors, I will mark it 70 mm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 boxes directly. I am going to draw a line 70 mm. I'm going to draw a projector which represents DEP, distance between end projectors. Next, 60 mm above HP. I'm going to mark it here 60 mm, 6 boxes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 60 mm above XY line. Exactly, I'm going to mark it here. Next, 45 mm in front of VP. See 10, 20, 30, 40, 5, 45 mm in front of VP. I'm just going to draw a thin line. So I'll just dimension this as
Do slowly, sir.
I draw a rough sketch, right? I think you can follow. And 60 mm. I'm going to dimension here. $45. Yes. 10, 20, 30, 40, 45. Draw dimensions on the printed line so that it looks neat. Draw the arrow properly, a sharp arrow as you are seeing here also. I'm going to mention 20 and 15 and then draw a line, a thin line. Twenty and 15, 70 mm and 60 is dimension. Shall I continue?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I think, see, read the problem and given numbers in the problem is over. So 20, 15, 60, 45 and 70 was given. 70 are not still dimension. So I can dimension 70. Let me dimension 70 here somewhere. If you are dimensioning on this between the boxes also no problem, but it should be appropriate and 70. I'm going to mark it 70 here. Just here, this is the locus of B. Beyond the locus of B, you can measure it and mark it. I suggest you to represent on the printed line. Got it like this. So here on the printed line, if you dimension, it is good. Next, directly I have got erase this. Take some convenient lengths. See, I plan to do this because of less number of sheets available with me. So it went wrong. So use one sheet as it is. So will not go wrong. Complete the problem. Front view, I'm going to mark it. Make it dark. Directly this is B dash as a dark line. And similarly, A A dash A, B dash B. You can see the line thickness here. What I have represented for A dash B dash is always dark. AB is always dark. This projection lines you maintain same thickness. Extra lines is not necessary. You erase the extra lines. Okay, beyond B dash there will be nothing else. No other line, no other projections or anything else will come here. So because true length will be more than this front view, and true length will be more than this top view in on HP. So obviously somewhere here only true length will come, somewhere here only true length will come. So front and top views are lesser than the true lengths in other sense. So next step, I hope everyone have finished till here. See, from A dash as center, B dash as radius, see A dash as center, B dash as radius. I'm going to draw an arc till the locus of A, that is till here. Just draw an arrow mark, and I'll draw an arrow mark where it is going to end also. Just draw a thin line, projection line. Then drop the arrow mark towards the next plane. And then join this. This is, see, for the first time I'm making it here. Even this can also be named as B1. So no problem. So it is not, no need to be of the same kind annotations. I'm going to change it because first time I'm finding out the true length here. So let this be B1, no problem. B1, and I'll name this as B1 dash. Don't get confused. So I'll use B2 only. Don't worry. B2. Even that also can be B1. So I think many of them will get confused. So I'm using B2 only. B2, B2 dash. Next, with A as radius, I've got something as true length. I'll just measure it. It is 87 for me. It is 87 for me, the true length. I'm just going to mark two lines here to say that it is true length. Now AB, I'm going to take AB and draw an arc till A. It's going to end till here 15 mm. And I'll name this as B1. B1 will be projected towards vertical plane, K, P, Q, equal distances here. So this is B1 dash. I got some true length here. Let me check my true length here. It is 87. For me, true length is 87. So true length that I have got here as an answer what you got, most of you.
87 only, sir.
87. Fine. Draw thin lines. Only front and top views will be dark. and I have not mentioned here 60. I erased it because of the projection line dimension 60, dimension 45 on the same line. So dimension on the same line. You want to tell me alpha and beta?
Alpha is 30 degrees, sir.
Is 30 degree, are you sure?
Yes, sir.
30 degrees, sir.
Alpha is 30
Beta
degree.
20.
Beta
25.
is around 25, 24 or 25. It is 24.
25.
23.
23, sir.
Yes, 23, 24. I am getting also same.
23, sir.
Okay, no problem. 23, there will be some error. 23, 24, both are correct. And the distance between end projectors of the line AB is 60 mm. That means you need to understand that A dash A and B dash B is lying at a distance of 60 mm. Next, the end A is 10 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of it. 10 mm above HP, I'm going to identify a position, and 15 mm above in front of VP, I'm going to identify a position and name it as A dash and A. This is 10 mm and 15 mm. 10 and 15 as a rough sketch, I am identifying the positions. So if you draw a locus of A here, A and A should be exactly 15 and 10 mm here also. If you are drawing on unruled copy, please check it. Next, the distance between end projectors of line AB is 60 mm. So next given number is 60. So this at a distance of 6 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I have 60 mm. I'll draw a parallel line to this projector A dash where my B dash and B will lie. Where it is exactly lying, I don't know. One of the locus above HP in front of VP, it is not known. So where it is exactly lying, I am not unaware of it. Next, very next important thing, the end B is 35 mm in front of VP. Next given number is only 35. So let us represent it. So in front of VP, 35 mm, there is a end point B. So at a distance of 35 mm, I'm going to draw a line which represents locus of B. Got it? Can anybody name this?
B.
B.
It's a B2 dash.
Huh?
It's
B1
B,
dash,
sir.
sir.
B, sir.
Directly it is B. Distance BP 60 mm, it is directly given. Distance between end projectors is directly given as 60 mm. So locus of B is given 35 mm in front of VP. So directly I have got AB. I'm making it dark. AB. Top view, I got directly the top view. Next, what next? I don't know the true lengths, so I have to find out the true lengths. but some other number is given to me here. So see, read the problem. 60 mm I have used, 10 mm, 15 mm I have used, 35 mm I have used. Next, the line AB appears 70 mm long in the front view. 70 mm long in the front view. In the front view, here it is 70 mm. Somewhat my B, A dash to B, A dash B dash line is 70 mm long. Where is B? I don't know. Where is B? I don't know. I'll take exactly 70 mm. My compass. I'll select 70 mm from somewhere here to approximately here, or directly in sketchbook. I can take it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 boxes approximately like this. And from A dash, I'm going to mark a line here on here. From A dash, I'm going to mark a line on DEP line where I get directly for 70 mm distance. I have got B dash. Don't dimension this like this, just for identification. I'm writing it like this. The line AB appears 70 mm long in the front view. Front view dimension is over. Top view position is over. Able to get it? Sometimes angle will not be given. So now it is left to you. It is very simple. A dash, B dash, and we're rotating it back till here. I'll draw an arc and identify B2 dash. From B2 dash, I'll drop a projector towards HP where I get B2. Join A B2, you'll get the true length. How much is the true length? Similarly, vice versa, this AB, I'm going to rotate it till here and project this upwards, and identify B1 dash, and I have to get the same true length. Are you able to get it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very simple, very simple. Please start answering and tell me what is the inclination of the line with HP and BP means. I need theta, and phi. Theta and phi. Same here, I'm going to draw a line.
So this is 75 mm, sir.
Mhm. What is 75?
True length.
True length is, yes, approximately it should be there. Almost you're right. A dash A, I have found out. This is 10 and 15. 35 mm in front of VP. It's 3.5 box. Sixty mm from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 60 mm I'm drawing here. Distance between end projector line. Directly I've got this B. As soon as you see AB, that is the top view. 65, it is around, top view is around 65, so obviously it will be more than that. Your problem is almost correct. 75 means, yes, 70 to 7, within 70 to 75, the true length will be there. So then front view is 70 mm. So I'll take a measurement in my sketchbook itself like this. For 70, 1, 2, 3 box, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes. 7 boxes. I'm going to take measurement and mark it here. So this is Front view.
Cannot measure by scale, sir. That's even by.
And if you don't have compass, you can measure and mark by scale, but compass is the correct method.
Okay.
If you don't have compass, please mark it. Compass is exactly you will get the same radius, is nothing but the length here for me. So we use the compass. If you are capable of marking 70 like this exactly on the same line, all the best.
Got it, sir.
Both are correct, but should be accurate. You manually there will be some errors, but you need to try for the maximum perfectness. So only what we are doing, we are using compass. That's all. By scale, slight errors will be there.
Sir, locus of B dash 1.
Front view, I'm going to drop it till here. And here I will be pivoting it downwards and represent B2. Will not confuse you. On HP, I'll always keep it as B2. It can be B1 also, and I mentioned this as parallel, same dimension as a two length. It is 74 for me, 73, 74, 74 for me. And in the same way, top view AB, I'm going to rotate it towards up. And stop the line here so that to avoid more number of lines. You see where it is. How to draw the line is very, very important. Whenever you are drawing the parallel line or any line, just observe carefully. Here, I'm going to keep a scale first parallel like this to this edge. Then you start moving it towards the left. When you keep it here, the distance from the 0.5 mm line or this printed lines must be equal here and here. Then you will draw a projector. So you draw a projector so that you can join it here. And here also you need to get the same true length as this 73 mm. So what is the answer? 74 or 75 mm. And what is theta? How much is theta? Not alpha, theta.
27 degree. 27, sir.
Hey, theta.
Fours are 25.
Theta is 30 degree.
30.
You get
29
1
I'm
degree
getting,
plus
sir.
or minus. Phi is 20. Sorry.
90, sir, right, sir.
Phi is 10, 15,
18.
16 degree. Phi is
16,
the
sir.
true length. B2. Theta and
Yes,
phi,
sir.
not alpha and beta. Please remember.
16 degrees, sir. 5.